Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange CC Assembly. It's the week of the 3rd of May, and we know what we're aiming for at Grange. We have our CC Way. We want a really great, caring attitude. We want to always be trying our best. We want to be learning, especially from our mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us make great choices, and we want to never give up, even in the face of challenge, because we are CC learners. We know what strength is. We know physical strength, really important, to eat well, to sleep well, to exercise, but we know that the real strength, the true strength, is inside you when you are brave enough to aim to be your very best. And that strength inside you, when you are your best and trying to be your best, will help you to overcome any challenge and solve any problem that you face. And that's what we say at Grange. We have our CC Way, which helps us to solve any of the problems that we face in life. Because every time you hit a problem, you just say to yourself, okay, I'm going to get through this. I'm going to be stronger when I get through it. Which character strength am I going to use to get through it? And that's why, Grange style, we say confidence for myself, consideration for the world and everybody around me. If we get the balance right between confidence and consideration, we are going to make the world a better place. And really, that's the best that we can do. And that is wonderful. So who have been our pupils of hope? Well, Lister class, I'm nominating all of you as pupils of power. You've just been so wonderful when I've looked the way you work together as a team, the way you help each other, your friends, the way you listen to your teacher and educator. You are wonderful, Lister class, going up and down the red corridor. I see you through your door, pop into your class sometimes, walk past. I see how you help each other. You make the world a better place, Lister class. You are pupils of power. Well done. Ramanula, you've had a fantastic few weeks. Just so proud of your attitude and your strength and bravery to do your best. Well done. We're so proud of you. Shema, love the way I always see a smile in your face. Always so positive. Always enjoying life. You live your life with zest. And I'm really proud of you. So well done, pupils of power. Who have been our stars of the week? Well, bouncing in is Bassett, brilliant. Vladut, wonderful to see you. Nikki, fantastic. Irfan, brilliant. Tiago, wonderful. Sammy AM, great to see you bouncing. Ramanula, well done. Isam, tremendous. Hodan, great work. So, who are our class champions? Well, Vienna and Beckham, well done. Sammy AM in Ennis, brilliant. Atif, fantastic to see you there. Bassett in Lister, Leo in Super Sequel, and Tanashiri in Nightingale. Grange House of Water, look at the progress you've made. In brackets 2 weeks ago, and then next to it is last week, so you can see the progress you've made. And we have Ashwini, Dennis, Irfan, Delia, Bassett, Alana, Dima. Flying in is Zachariah, Alex B, Yusuf M, and the swivel is Yusuf M. I just made a slight mistake there. Yusuf M last week was 94. It was a week before you got 161. Both weeks, 2 weeks in a row with the swivel. Well done. Grange House of Fire, top earning house this last week. Well done, 5,302 points. You can see the progress there from the week before that. We've got Jalal, Branshika, Rokisan, Gala, Ananga, Jahim. Flying in is Laurentio, Jeshwin, and the swivel goes to Leo. Well done. Grange House of Air, look at the progress. Nearly 500 points of progress. And we've got Yasin, Anna Maria, Nikki, Farah, Sophie W. Flying in is Mohammed K. Adrian. And Daria gets a swivel with 91 points. Grange House of Earth, 5,285 points. You can see the amazing progress they made. Got Jacob and Renea, and flying in is Zara M. Sharia, Sammy AM, Shifa, And the swivel goes to Ranuki in Seacole with 93 points. And Ranuki, you haven't been at Grange for long, but we are so proud of you. Look at you already, super achieving. And the fact of the matter is, all of Seacole should give themselves a pat on the back because you have been brilliant the way you've welcomed a new person into your community, your learning community, and you've helped them succeed. So it's a success for all of you. That is brilliant consideration in Seacole class. Proud of you. Well done, Ranuki. Well done, Seacole. Grange community, let's see. We smashed through the 20,000 point barrier. Week before that had been 18,110 points, but look at us, we made real progress last week. So who are my classy classes? Well done, Lister class, 1,176 points, Ennis class, 1,199 points. So all the classy classes smashed through the 1,000 point barrier, and Seacole class smashed through 2,000 points. In Key Stage 1, Matisse class also got over 2,000 points. So just so proud of all of you. We are motivating each other and really succeeding. Well done. Absolutely wonderful. So in the autumn term, in the spring term, we got over 120,000. So we've been really brave and we've upped our target from 50,000 for a half term to 75,000. Look at us in our running total already. 2 weeks and we're on 38,875 points, nearly at 40,000 points. So we're going to make it. We've had Freddie and the reindeer. We've had the pot plants, Super Seacole. You got them in low key stage 2. Got to organize the handprints, just with the wet weather, got to be a little bit careful about that. But I will organize with Mr. Hutchinson and Mr. Patel. And let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. We know who we are. Let's be Grange.